Hello everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. For this video, I'm going to open up another curated bead box. This is a $20 monthly subscription, and I have a coupon code for you to get 35% off your first box. Use code AGERM35. I'm going to put a link to this box down there below in the description bar, and I'm also going to put the coupon code down there below in the description bar in case you're interested in getting this box. So the theme for this month is called Bayou Blues, and it looks like there's some really nice stuff in here. I'm loving these beads, but I see that there's some, like, I think that's turquoise beads there. These here, I'm really interested in those speckle ones. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what we have. In case you're new to this box, right here is the list of names of what everything is, and over here are codes, so if you would like, you can reorder these beads. So maybe you don't want this whole box, but you do like some of the beads, so I'm going to read these off, and you can, pause here and come over here and grab one of these codes in case you want to order beads. Okay? And you order them at dollarbead.com. Oh my gosh. Wow. I didn't even notice the blue specks in the picture. And these are so big. I love the holes on these. These are really awesome. Oh, there's two. There's two different kinds. We don't even see these in the picture. Only this one's visible. See? But we don't see those, or I don't see those. But we're doing this together. Okay, I'm going to dump all of this off. Oh my gosh. Those are really cool. There's a lot in there. Metal beads, tubes, those are cool too. I can use these as bails for beaded pendants if I wanted to. I could use wire or thread and stitch my pendant onto this tube. Alright, so usually on the list, the biggest bead's at the top. And it goes to the smallest. So that's 8. I think that's 8. This is 8. 8. This is 8. That's lapis, I think. This is 6. And then this is 6. And here's our baggie of findings. Okay. Right here, it says 12mm golden spotted marble style glass bead, 6-inch. I don't really see this as golden. Golden spot marble style glass bead, 6-inch string. This is the biggest one here, so maybe that's what it's called. It's really pretty. In the picture, it doesn't, right here it is, it doesn't look gold. But I am wondering, don't know yet, but I am wondering if I'm missing a strand, because this one here looks black with blue and white specks. So, it looks like it's the same size as this. I don't know. We'll see. Maybe they had to give me a substitute. Alternative. Alright, so I really do like this one. That's very unique. I think it's really pretty. Okay, after that is 10 millimeter brown spot marble style glass bead, 6-inch string. So that sounds just like this. Maybe I am missing a string. And this one's actually brown, so I think I am missing this one. 12 millimeter golden spot marble style glass bead, and then here 10 millimeter brown. This one's brown. Spot marble style glass bead, 6-inch string. So I think I might be missing the first strand. Okay. But this looks like it's 12 to me. So like this is 8. So a little confusing. Okay, let's go to 8 millimeter. 8 millimeter turquoise marble style glass bead, 16-inch string. So that's going to be this. This is pretty. I actually thought this was going to be translucent, transparent. It looks very different on my camera. I don't know why. There's white in it. I don't see the white on my camera. It's marbled looking. Yeah, it does say marble style there. Okay. So I think that's pretty. And these two look good together. And then 8 millimeter turquoise gemstone bead, 7 to 8-inch string. That's this here. I don't think anybody could ever have too much of this bead. It's very pretty. I even like the white in it. I think the white adds to it. I love color. Okay, that's very nice. And then 8 millimeter lapis gemstone bead. Oh boy, I like these together. I've never put these together before. It looks like there's a lot of black in this. Can you see it? And I want to see these two together. I would like to put those together. Okay. And then 8 millimeter gray brown gemstone bead. That's this here. I think I might have got this before. I really like this strand. I want to say I made it into a stretch bracelet. It's one of those natural gemstone beads that are like so organic and pretty. There's actually a little blue in this. I see it here and here like it's Amazonite. And here that bead has it. This one has a little bit. Okay. Oh, I love those two together. Alrighty, and then after that, wait a second. Did I skip one? Or maybe. So 8 millimeter turquoise. And then brown. Oh, I did miss one. It was the second strand. So it was between this strand and this strand. This one. 8 millimeter brown crystal crackle frosted duo bead. 10.5. It is frosty looking. Like matte? That's neat. You don't usually see that. This is usually shiny, these crackle beads. It looks pretty neat. That's cool. So that strand actually goes between those two. It goes like that. And then now we're at the 6 millimeter. Okay, 6 millimeter brown spray glass bead. This. Yes, 10.5 inch. I've got one of these before. Was it a dark red? See these markings on here? The one I got had more, like, it says spray. but more like of these marks throughout the bead, and it looked, I think it was opaque brown. It was kind of like this here, but it was a 6mm. It was really gorgeous. I liked it a lot. This one doesn't have as much of the splatter looking marks, but that's cool. I like that. I think I like the brown one more than the blue, actually. So this says 6mm turquoise bloom spray glass bead 10.5. I don't know why it's called turquoise. It's not turquoise, it's blue. So this one has the marks too. It does seem like this is on every bead on this strand. You gotta spin it to see it though. But that's neat. And this is actually a unique looking shade of blue. I don't really have that shade in my stash. Alrighty. We finished the 6mm, and now 16mm Galaxy Luster glass bead. 6 beads, large hole. These. The hole in these, I swear it's like 4mm. It's huge. Oh my gosh, they're so cool. Yes. Look at how big that hole is. I swear it's like a 6mm hole. And look at how nice the holes are. See how clean? Not sharp at all. This would definitely go onto a very thick cord. Put multiple cords to this bead. It's so pretty. Yes, I love these. Those are so cool. Look at that color. Alright, those are awesome. And then 12mm blue Galaxy glass bead. 6 beads. It's this here. Oh, these are so pretty. Gosh, which one do I like more? These look more green and gray to me, but this is more of a blue-gray, and there's purple in it. This does have a much smaller hole, maybe 1mm. See that? They look so cool. Wait a second. This hole's bigger. Look at that, it's like double the size. That's weird. That's the only one like that. Yeah. These are so pretty. I do have these in clear plastic beads, and they look like bubbles to me. They're really neat. This color might be prettier than the other one. Yeah. Gorgeous. Okay. And then, so that was 2 bags. Now, 10 by 6mm silver metal spacer bead, 15 beads. So that's going to be this. And I was trying to figure out, is there a wave patterns on this bead? It kind of looks like waves, but there's dots. I don't know what the dots are about. They're pretty cool. I like that they gave us so many. They really do match this tube well. See the pattern? They look great together. Okay. And then, one thing left on the list, and that is 34 by 6mm silver filigree metal tube. 2 tubes. Oh, so these are new items. The bottom 4 that I just went through, these 2 bags and these 2 are new items, so you will find them under new on the website. Oh, these are really nice. Is this the same size hole? It's actually smaller, just by a little. Look how thick they are. They're really thick. These are very cool. I think they're nice quality. Alright, so that was everything on the list, but we still have our findings bag, so I'll go over that. This is the stretch cord. It's really good quality. It doesn't break. It's so strong. Like, as hard as I can pull it, it doesn't break. It's crazy. I love the cord. And then we have crimp beads. We have bead stringing wire. Earring findings. Jump rings. And they have a thick gauge jump ring in this box, and I do like them. And these are also thick gauge head pins, so they're strong. And lobster claw clasp and memory wire. So here is everything I'm getting in this box. It does look like I am missing a strand, but I think what happened the last time I was missing a strand, everybody was actually missing that same strand, and so what they did is they put that missing strand into next month's box. So I might be receiving this here in next month's box. Alrighty, so what's my favorite bead here? I feel like these are my favorite. Yeah, but I do really like this one. I think that's really, really unique. Of course, I love the turquoise. I like the lapis. All the gemstones. I love all the gemstones. They're really pretty. So this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this box opening. Remember, I will put the Curated Bead Box link down there below in the description bar, along with the coupon code. So please like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and make sure you click the bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos, and follow me on my social media sites. I'm on Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Thanks for watching.